So we are Chelsey and Alphonse, a husband and wife couple from Dallas, Texas. And we were just sitting on the couch one day and decided, hey, let's do this camper van bus life project thing. So we bought a 2001 Chevy Express 3500 off of Facebook Marketplace. And what you see here is our DIY conversion project that took us 1 year to finish. So we hope you enjoy it. Welcome to our Skoolie tour. Come on in. All right. So when you walk in, you have our diesel heater right here that keeps us nice and warm. And up on the dashboard is where we just put random things, a GPS, a Kleenex box. Actually, a really neat trick is for your Kleenex boxes to not only put your Kleenex in there, but to put like napkins that you get from fast food places and stuff. We have our 2 seats. Up here on the key ring, we have our keys, the diesel heater key that turns that on. We have a little school bus ornament that my grandparents got me for Christmas, and they actually accidentally ordered another one, so we have 2. And we have a key holder right here, and this is actually a light that we put on our trailer hitch in the back when it's dark, so then there's a light on that. And of course, in remembrance of our hometown, we have our Dallas, Texas poster. So this is a compartment that we have. And it's really nifty. We put all of our emergency car stuff, camera bag. Then as you come on in, we have our toilet. And it's a little canister toilet, and you just open it up and it's a toilet. And we just have to dump it out every so often. Here you have the sink cabinet. And for those of you van lifers, one trick. Well, one trick is put Velcro and hope that it actually sticks. And then it keeps it from toppling over. Here we have our sink with a cutting board on top and a built-in strainer, which is awesome. So whenever you make pasta or anything, you can just do that. Since we have this strainer, we just put like our soap, and we made sure to get a brush that had soap in it so that we don't have to have both the brush and the soap. Hand soap. We have a little spritzer to make everything smell good. All right, and then underneath, okay, so this bin is with all of our cleaning stuff, soaps, extra shampoos, things like that. We have our first aid bin right here, electronics bin here. If you are a van lifer, you must have a dustpan and a broom because these floors get filthy. Ziploc bags, trash bags. We stick our towels in here, paper towels. The gray water tank takes up most of this, so we can't really put much on it. We just have our gloves for when we dump our black water tank, and Walmart bags because we keep forgetting to use our reusable ones. Over here, you'll see our kitchen cabinet. And same trick, we just Velcroed the bottom so that it doesn't move. In this cabinet, we have kitchen stuff, our cooktop food, Penny stuff, our coffee thermoses, all the good things. Up here we have more tissues, our beloved stuffed animals. We have Penny's water bowl. And if you get these upper cabinets, they're actually, if you can see, they have like a lip where it'll keep everything in place so it won't like fall, which is really nice. This is to hold our cords and rope. So we had the hardest time trying to keep our cabinet doors closed. We tried like child locks and it just wouldn't work. So we ended up getting doorknobs. They were like $2 a piece, and you just kind of figure eight it, and then you can get some tension on there, and then we just tie it twice. It keeps it closed. Yeah, it's kind of annoying having to rope everything before you drive and after, but it works and it was cheap, so we're using it. Then we have our little internet device. This is a MiFi 2000, I believe. We got it through the Calyx Institute, and if you're interested in that, The link will be down below in the description. We have our Bible. We have our curtains. So we actually put curtains up every night to give ourselves privacy. You can see that we put curtain hooks here and one there, and to make just kind of a curtain wall. So that's helpful. All right, so, oh, I forgot to show you what's in here. So this is my cabinet. It has all of my clothes and socks. And this is my bathroom tote. So whenever we go to Planet Fitness to take showers, I just take the whole thing. It has my toothbrush, hairbrush, all that stuff. Undies and socks are under here, dresses, shirts, pants, scarves. And I also got a hanging mirror, and you can see that it has stuff where you can just hang it on a command hook, because I really needed a mirror to, you know, brush my hair and get ready. This is Alphonse's cupboard. So we have his pants, his bathroom tote, and here we stick his undies and socks and shampoo. On this side is shirts and his PJ pants. And the majority of this is all of our clothes. We have a winter bin under the garage, but for the most part, that's all of our clothes. This is our fridge, and it's cooler style. So today is the Super Bowl, and so we really stocked up on sodas and snacks. But it works great. And I believe it's a 12 volt, so you just have a little cigarette plug, you plug it in, and your stuff cold. This is our bed. We really wanted to keep our queen mattress so that it was big. We also put curtains up there. As you can see, there's a hook right there, and at the end right there. So we make a curtain wall there. Underneath the bed, Alphonse made an awesome door that swings out, and we just put all of our stuff in there. Just other stuff that wouldn't fit in the cabinets that we didn't really need. Up here we installed a smoke alarm. We have speakers in the back that you can actually hear while she's driving, which is a miracle because she's really loud, and especially on the highway. We have all of our electricity on this wall. I keep asking Alphonse if I can make a little, just put a curtain over it to cover it up, and he said nope. So it's stuck there, unfortunately. We have all of the gadgets there and gizmos, the high booth, so when we are in state parks, etc., with not very much reception, we still can get some reception. This is our fan, which keeps Penny nice and cool when we have to go inside stores or churches or whatever. And it works pretty great and doesn't take very much power. And then we also installed a curtain rod with some command hooks. You can get these, they're actually called curtain hooks. You can get these just from Walmart, and they're really nifty. So this is our Skoolie. Thanks so much for watching. If you like Skoolie content and travel content, we are traveling all 48 states this year in 2023. So make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss anything, and make sure to turn on that notification bell as well. And tell us where we should go in the US. If there's a favorite city or a state or a tiny town that no one knows about, please comment down below. We would love to go there if it's along our route and feasible. But we are so proud of this project. We took a whole year to finish. We bought it in January of 2022, and we finished in January of 2023. And we've been on the road for about 2 weeks now. We're in New Mexico currently, and heading to Arizona and then California. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our school bus. If you have any questions about converting your own Skoolie, let us know down below in the comments, and we will see you next time. Bye!